Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain some more concepts in inheritance. In my previous video, I explained about the inheritance and advantages, disadvantages and types of inheritance and some exercises practically. Okay, now let's understand what is a relationship. So what is a relationship? Inheritance is an easy relationship means the inheritance will be having a relationship. Look at this example so that you can understand. So car is a vehicle. So car is one type of a class and vehicle is one more type of a class, and the relation between this car and the vehicle is a relation between the car and the vehicle. See, look at here. That is, we use inheritance only if there exists an easy relationship between the two classes. So when we have to use the inheritance means when we have is a relationship between the two classes. Between the two classes, when the easy relationship be arises, at the time only we have to consider it is a inheritance concept. So look at here now. Vehicle is considered as a parent class, or we can say base class, or we can say super class, and the car is considered as a derived class or child class or subclass. So no means the car is considered as a child, vehicle is considered as a parent. So the properties of the vehicle will be transferred to, inherited to the car. So means the relation between that both is a. So which is nothing but the inheritance. See one more example. Apple is a fruit. Here fruit is a parent. Apple is a child. So the relation between the two classes, which is apple and the fruit, is a. One more. Cat is an animal. Yes or no? So cat is a child. Animal is a animal. The relation between the both classes is a. So these type of things are known as easy relationship. So the when we have a is a connectivity with the between the two classes, then it is considered as inheritance. Okay, for every inheritance example will be having is a relationship. Okay, child is a parent of, we'll say like that. No, so it's a is a. Okay, this is about the is a relationship, which is nothing but the inheritance. Okay, now let's understand what is method overloading. Method overloading is what? Let's see. The method in the subclass. So here subclass is nothing but child class, and the superclass is nothing but the parent class. Will be having so many names for the parent class and the child class. So superclass is nothing but the parent class and subclass is nothing but the child class. Don't get any confusion. Okay. So this subclass overrides the method in the superclass, means the methods which are there in the parent class will be overridden into the child class itself. I will be explaining you practically, don't worry. So this type of concept will be erased in the method overriding. Method overriding means the methods which are there in the parent class will be overrides to the child class itself. Okay, let's try practically. Yeah. Now let's take the example of this cat and animal only. Okay. Yes. Okay, done. Now let's remove this thing. Yeah. Now first we have to create the parent class. No, yes, without the parent class we cannot use a child class. Yes, so what is the parent class over here? Animal. Okay, done. We have created the animal. Next, what is the child class? Which is the cat. And so it's the child class and the parent of this cat is animal, so we have to write in the parenthesis. Else on. Okay, now we'll write some methods in this parent class and the child class. Here we'll be writing the method as some method. Let's take demo. Okay, let's take the demo as a some method name, and we'll write simple example with self, and we'll write some print statement like, hey, am parent. Okay, similarly we'll take one more method in this child class also with the same method name. Look at here, with the same method name. Hey, am child. Okay, see what is the difference between the parent class and the child class. Here we have taken the both. So we have taken the both the classes method names are same, means here in the parent class the method name is demo, and similarly in the child class method name is also demo, but the print statement we have written differently. Okay, now let's see what will be the output. Okay, before writing the output we have to create the object. No, yes, object creation should be done for only class. So what is the class name over here? Which is cat. Okay, now here we have only one method which is demo. So let's try to access that only one method which is demo. Now let's see what will be the output. Hey, I'm parent or hey, I'm child. Let's see. Yeah, what is the output here? We have only one statement which is hey, I'm child. So we are not getting the this output. Hey, I'm parent is not shown. Only hey, I'm child. Means what? What is happening over here? The method which is there in the parent class is overridden in the child class. Means we are getting only the child class print statement. This is known as method overriding. So we are using the same method name in the child class and the parent class. So when we are accessing that method name, then we'll be getting only the properties and the print statements which are there in the child class only. Will not get what are there in the parent class. Means what is happening over here? It is happening method overriding is happening over here. Means the method which is there in the child class is override on the parent class. Okay, now let's see this statement. Now you'll understand. The method which is demo in the subclass, means in the child class, the method which is demo in the child class overrides the method in the super class, means which is there in the parent class. Means the demo method which is there in the child class is overrides the method which is the demo method which is there in the parent class. So this concept is known as a method overriding. Okay, I think you understood how the method overriding will be working in the inheritance. Okay, now let's see what is the super function. So what is the super? Super means what? It's like a parent. Yes or no? Parent class. Super class is nothing but the parent class. So what is the super function? Super function is different. Super class is different. Don't think that super class and super function are same. So super class is different. Super method is different. Super class is nothing but the parent class. But what is a super function? Now let's see. If we need to access the super class methods from the child class, we use the super function. Means what? When we want to access the methods and the properties which are there in the super class, means the properties and the methods which are there in the parent class, when we want to access the methods which are there in the parent class in the child class, at the time we have to use the super function. Got clarity? When we want to use the methods which are there in the parent class in the child class, at that time we have to use the super function. I'll be explaining you with the example, don't worry. Look at here. Here we are getting only the child class method. Yes or no? We are getting only the child class method. We are not getting the parent class method. Why? We are using the both the method names are same. Here overriding is happening. But when we want to print the parent class properties also, means when we want to display the hey I'm parent also, when we want to display hey I'm parent also with the hey I'm child, when we want to display both statements, both the print statements with the same method name, at that time we have to use the super function, means to access the parent class methods also. Okay, So now we have to use the super function in this way. Look at here, super now dot what method we want to use, what the method we want to access in the child class demo. So the demo method which is there in the parent class, to access the demo method in the child class, so we have to use the super class dot and the method name. What is the method name? Which is demo. Okay, demo. So this is a syntax for the super function. So we have to use the super function dot and what is the method we want to access from the parent class. Now let's see what will be the output. See, now we are getting the both statements, which is hey am parent, hey am child, means the hey am parent also is executing, is also printing. In the before condition, when we not use the statement, at the time we'll get only hey am child, not get hey am parent. So to display the parent class methods also in the child class, at the time this super function is helpful. Yes or no? Yeah, we can even use here also, no need to use only here, we can use here also. So if we use here, the first the child class will be printed, and after printing the child class, the parent class will be printed. If we use here, first the parent class will be printed, then the child class. So it's depending upon the order, so it's not a issue. So you should understand about this super function when we have to use, and what is the method overriding. Okay, and that's it for this video. I think you understood about this easy relationship and method overriding and super function. Okay, still if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.